Alright guys, here's my last video of my last Temu order. It's called Mealtime Dining Table Playset by My Fancy Life, and I got it from Temu. Box was a little beat up when I got it, and I did some pre-assembly here just to save some time and embarrassment of me trying to open packages. But it does come with this table and 4 of these mint green and white chairs. Cute little design. And there's 4 of those chairs that you have to put together, but they snap together pretty easily. It comes with this little purple clear vase and a little flower. Now the coloring of that flower, a little maroon. It'd be nice if it was red or pink maybe, but you can always repaint that. Comes with 4 dishes. They have like a red kind of arrow design on them. If you want to see the scale of it, they're bigger, which is nice because I don't have too many big plates left. It also comes with 4, looks like bowls with the same red arrow design in there. If you want to see the scale, it's pretty accurate, so that's nice. It comes with 4 goblets, water glasses, plastic, a little design on the side, but there are 4 of those. And then it comes with, it looks like some champagne flutes, same design, hollow, and there's 4 of those. And then for the silverware, we have a silver butter knife, pretty accurate scale, and there's 4 of those. There are 4 little teaspoon sizes for her. There are 4 tablespoon sizes. And I'm a little disappointed. My first complaint here is the fork. And there's supposed to be 4 of those. There's only 3 in the set. So unless it's stuck in a bag someplace, but I don't think so, I'll check. But I think it's a pretty cute little table set. And I'm going to check the sitting scale for her. So let's see if we can just see how she looks when she's sitting. Oh yeah, the height is pretty accurate. So I think that's a cute little set. Not bad, a little modern, you know, with the clear. I don't know if it's supposed to look like glass, but I like it. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, guys.